Now we've just hit our 4-week anniversary, our 1 month of ownership of the car. I can't fault her in any way. However, she's very dirty. Now there's a little bit of confusion or worry about putting a Tesla through a car wash. So today I'm going to test it. I'm going to take it through the car wash. I'm obviously going to use a contactless version, but let's use car wash mode and see what happens. This is the before, when she's not very clean at all. Okay, so before we go in the car wash, we need to press this button. We go to controls and then we put car wash mode on. So enter car wash mode. Okay, let's fold mirrors as well. Forwards. So car wash mode is obviously just going to limit things, stop you opening the windows. Charge port is going to keep the speed below 15 kilometers an hour. Turn off sentry mode. So I'm more than happy to use this type of car wash. I can't see any issues with it. Let me know if you think of any or know of any where there's potential problems with using a car wash like this. I wouldn't use one of the ones, you know, the old style that actually touch your car and then put that rolling washer thing across the bonnet and stuff. I don't think that's a good idea, but I don't see any issues with using this. I just highly recommend, if you've got a blue one or a black car, definitely use the dryer, so pay a little bit more and get the air dryer. If you don't do that, especially in Australia where it's really hot, you get watermarks on the car from where it dries. So I'd highly recommend using the dryer. And I do find that when I've washed it a couple of times now by hand wash, and it's so hard to dry in this climate when it's really warm. I'm definitely not an expert at car washing, so I think this is the way to go. And this premium wash cost me 18 Australian dollars. I'm not sure that water's supposed to be coming out of there when the dryer's on. Okay, so let's have a look how the car wash's done. So no drying streaks really. There's a couple off the wing mirror, but so much better than when I tried to do it by hand wash. A little bit of water dots on the back still as well, so. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let me know your thoughts on putting the Tesla through the car wash. I think it's okay, does a good job. No signs of scratches or worries like that, especially with that modern one with that contactless. But let me know your thoughts and recommendations, and I'll speak to you in the next one.